This isn't built for escaping the world, it's built for staying comfortable when the world falls apart. The channel where extreme vehicles meet real-world insight, and today we're diving into something truly next level, the 2026 Mercedes ZETROS 8x8 Apocalypse Camper. A vehicle that feels less like an RV and more like a rolling fortress designed to survive the end of the world in absolute luxury. This is not your average camper, not even close, because the ZETROS platform was originally built for military and industrial use. And what we're looking at here is a full transformation into a luxury expedition motorhome that blends unstoppable off-road capability with five-star living comfort, making it one of the most extreme overland campers money can buy in 2026. Starting with the exterior design, the 2026 Mercedes ZETROS 8x8 Apocalypse Camper looks intimidating, purposeful, and unapologetically bold. With its massive cab-forward stance, towering ride height, and 8 massive off-road tires that immediately tell you this vehicle was built to conquer terrain that would stop almost anything else on the planet. The angular bodywork, reinforced bumpers, roof-mounted auxiliary lighting, heavy-duty roof racks, side storage compartments, and integrated ladder systems all serve a function-first philosophy, yet the design still manages to look refined thanks to clean panel lines, premium paint finishes, and Mercedes' unmistakable industrial styling DNA. This is a vehicle that looks just as comfortable parked in a luxury showroom as it does crawling through deserts, snowfields, or post-apocalyptic wastelands. And everything about its design screams durability, independence, and long-range adventure. Moving inside, the interior of the ZETROS Apocalypse Camper completely flips expectations. Because once you step past that rugged exterior, you're greeted by an environment that feels closer to a luxury apartment than a survival vehicle. With premium materials, warm ambient lighting, and meticulous craftsmanship throughout the entire living space. The main living area features a spacious lounge with plush sofas upholstered in high-end leather or premium fabric, designed for long-term comfort whether you're relaxing, dining, or entertaining, while smart space utilization ensures everything feels open rather than cramped. The kitchen area is fully equipped with a high-quality induction cooktop, modern countertops, integrated sink, premium cabinetry, refrigerator, freezer, and storage solutions designed to handle extended off-grid living with ease. Moving into the bedroom, you'll find a generously sized bed with luxury bedding, soft touch panels, ambient lighting, overhead storage, and sound insulation that makes it feel calm and quiet, even when the world outside is anything but. The bathroom continues the luxury theme with a full toilet system, enclosed shower, high-quality fixtures, modern sink, ventilation, and water management systems that rival upscale hotels, all seamlessly integrated into a mobile environment designed for extreme conditions. Every inch of the interior is engineered to balance comfort, durability, and functionality, making it clear that this camper isn't about roughing it, it's about thriving anywhere. This is the moment where luxury stops being the headline and raw military-grade capability takes over. Underneath all that luxury is where the ZETROS truly earns its reputation, because the 2026 Mercedes ZETROS 8x8 Apocalypse Camper is powered by a heavy-duty Mercedes diesel engine engineered for extreme torque, reliability, and long-distance endurance rather than raw speed. This powertrain is paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system that sends power to all 8 wheels, combined with locking differentials and a heavy-duty transmission designed to crawl over rocks, sand, mud, and snow with confidence. The performance focus here is unstoppable traction, load-carrying capacity, and mechanical reliability in the harshest environments on Earth. And while acceleration isn't the main selling point, the sheer pulling power and stability of this platform make it feel unstoppable once you're moving. Whether you're climbing steep inclines, crossing rivers, or hauling a fully loaded camper across remote terrain, the ZETROS delivers confidence that very few vehicles on the planet can match. Technology plays a major role in making this massive machine manageable and comfortable, and the 2026 ZETROS Apocalypse Camper is packed with advanced systems designed to support both driving and living. The cockpit features modern digital displays, navigation optimized for off-road and expedition use, advanced vehicle monitoring systems, and intuitive controls that keep the driver informed about terrain, drivetrain status, and vehicle health at all times. Inside the living space, smart energy management systems control lighting, climate, water usage, and battery storage, while solar integration, large capacity batteries in generator systems ensure true off-grid capability for extended periods. Climate control systems are engineered to handle extreme heat and cold, and connectivity options allow occupants to stay connected even in remote locations, making this camper as smart as it is tough. When it comes to safety, the ZETROS 8x8 Apocalypse camper is built on a foundation of industrial-grade protection, starting with its reinforced chassis, high-strength body construction, and elevated driving position that provides excellent visibility in challenging environments. Advanced braking systems are designed to manage the vehicle's massive weight, while stability control, traction management, and driver assistance features help maintain control on unpredictable terrain. The camper body itself is designed with occupant protection in mind, using reinforced structures, secure mounting systems, and emergency equipment storage, ensuring that safety isn't just about crash protection, but also about survival and self-sufficiency in extreme conditions.